So today I've got Katie coming to my house. I've got to go home soon and do that. Sorry that I'm rubbing my eye, it's very itchy. But yes, I've got to do that today. But yeah, I'll just keep you updated throughout the day. I'm going to watch Family Freedom and eat my breakfast, which is pasta. I know I'm having pasta for breakfast. Don't judge me, I'm at my nan's.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 82.
Yeah. I've got 3 Disney 100 packets. I'm going to undo them. Hopefully I don't get many duplicates. I'll probably get 1 or 2 now though, because I'm really developed in my book. But I've got some duplicates at home already. I've already got Moana. I've got Spider-Man. I'm not sure if I've got Darth Vader. Let's check. What page is Darth Vader on? 72. Oh no, that's Darth Vader. Which one is this? Could be that one. 70. No, I don't have this one. So this one is good. So them 2 over there. Keep this one here. So that wasn't a great start. Let's see what other ones I get. Oh, I don't have her. That's a new one. I've got Captain Hook and I've got this person. God, I've just spent so much money and I don't even need half of them. It's just very bad luck. You're thinking I still need so many, so I shouldn't have this many duplicates. Already got Piglet. Aww, I don't have this one. Dory, I don't have that one. And another Spider-Man. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3 new ones out of 3 packets, and you get 3 each packet. And I've got all of these which I've already got. What a fucking waste of money. But the thing is that I haven't even done that many. Like I've still got so like many to do on each page. Like it shouldn't be this hard. You know what I mean? But it's okay. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having more luck with these than I am.